In the previous video, we learned how to delete the Firebase real-time database. In this video, we will create an application that can be deleted using the Python customtkinter library. There are two labels, two entries, and a button in the window. The user can delete certain information of a member by entering ID and info information. For example, let's delete the surname information of the member with ID 1. The information has been deleted. We will carry out the application with you step by step. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I am creating the project file. First, I will insert data into the Firebase database. I can use the delete file from the previous video. There are 10 data in the data variable. I will send the data set to the database using a for loop. I create a random number for each data. I send the data sequentially with the set function. There is no data in the real-time database. I'm running the code. The data is sent to the database. I show all the data in order. I don't need the for loop and data set anymore. I import the customtkinter library to create an application. If the customtkinter is not in the project, you can start the transfer process with this code. I will adjust the window view. I set the view mode to system. I can set the default color to blue. I will create a window using the ctk function. I adjust the window opening size using the geometry function. I use the main loop function to prevent the window from closing suddenly. We created an empty window. Now let's add the label objects. I send the window name, text, and color parameters to the label function. I add the object to the window using the place function. Label object has been added to the window. Let's add the second label object to the window. I can use the copy-paste method. I am making the necessary changes. The second label object has been added to the window. Now let's add the entry objects to the window. I send the window name and text values to the entry function. I add the object to the window with the place function. The first entry object has been added to the window. Let's add the other entry object to the window. I can use the copy-paste method. I am making the necessary changes. The second entry object has been added to the window. Now let's add the button object. I will send the window name, text, and task function to the button function. I add it to the window using the place function. I can create the task function with pass for now. The button has been added to the window. Finally, let's code the task function. I need the keys in the Firebase real-time database. I can access the keys with the get function. Keys are actually a list. I can access list members with a for loop. I can see the readable values using the val function. If the ID value entered by the user is the same as the value in the database and the info entry object is not empty, I will delete some information of a particular member. If the info entry object is empty, I will delete the entire member. You will soon understand better how it works. Now let's try the code. I am deleting the surname information of the member with ID 1. I am deleting the name information of the member with ID 7. I am deleting the age information of the member with ID 8. I am deleting the surname information of the member with ID 5. I am deleting all members with ID 1. Because the info entry object is currently empty, I am deleting all members with ID 2. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.